Welcome to a new video with 10 best smart locks. If you are looking to build a smart home and locks, you need to look at smart lock. So consider trying one of these smart locks so that you can have access to smart access codes without having to go through the trouble of losing your key when you leave your house. Starting of our list at number 1, August Smart Lock. No more fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock creates custom entry codes to give family, friends, or guests to unlock without a traditional key or smartphone and monitor access with 24/7 in-app activity feed. Control access to your home with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit. August Smart Lock replaces only the interior of your standard deadbolt. Install yourself in a few minutes. August Smart Keypad is simple to set up, easy to use, and can also be controlled via secure Bluetooth technology. Auto unlocks your door as you approach and automatically locks your door after leaving the room. At number 2, Kwikset Premis Touchscreen Smart Lock. It is a touchscreen smart lock perfect for homeowners who use an Apple iPhone. With the Premis app installed, your iPhone becomes your mobile security command center. Premis makes your smartphone your key and controls your lock with voice commands. With HomeKit compatibility, you can control and automate the Premis directly from your iPhone's control center, alongside other HomeKit compatible gadgets. The Venetian bronze finish is polished to reveal unique bronze highlights and provides a warm and rich complement to the product's style. At number 3, Ultraloq UL3 BT Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen keyless smart lock. This lock is designed to be real keyless for maximum convenience and flexibility. It's made with an anti-peep touch keypad and advanced fingerprint identification technology. The Ultraloq can be unlocked through a code, our smartphone, our fingerprint, our knock, and a key. The technology and strong design of the lock are supported by the world's best chip provider to ensure the inside of the lock as stable and strong as the outside of it. Complete protection from total dust ingress and water spray from any direction. Low battery alerts on LCD and app. At number 4, Schlage BE365 VCA M619 Camelot Keypad Deadbolt. It offers keyless access and provides maximum protection to make your life more convenient. It is set up and easy to use and also features a sleek look complete with graceful arches and curves inspired by architecture. If someone tries to break in or tamper with the lock, a built-in alarm will sound, alerting you of the issue and hopefully scaring the intruder off. A warning sounds after 4 incorrect code entries and disables the keypad for 30 seconds. The emergency exit feature allows quick exit when needed. To see details, check out the description underneath the video. 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 Details, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this in the future.